So my apologies, it's been a while since the last episode. This episode, I'm going to be getting quite a lot done. One of the main things is that metal frame that I've been talking about installing. That's in now. I'm going to show you how that went. Before doing that, I coated the whole interior with reflective paper. You'll see that. I just want to point out that I've mentioned that I'm going to be doing all this thing on a budget. All the materials I'm using at the moment, that is the reflective gold foil going on the ceiling and the reflective silver stuff, and even the tape I'm using is all stuff that I've stored over the years. So if I'm going to be able to do this on a budget, it's because of this kind of thing. This is all stuff that I've had lying around waiting for the right opportunity. Anyway, I think everything I'm going to be doing in this episode is pretty self-explanatory. So, cue the music. Yeah, I'm really happy that I put these frames in. Just screwing the frames to the walls has pulled the walls into line now, so everything's straight and at right angles. I finished my tin of acetone, so I had to buy a new one, and I got it cheap, €3, because it's a damaged tin. I welded on the inside as well, through the hole in the floor. I should have left that hole a little bit bigger. Most of the stuff you're seeing there isn't smoke, it's steam, because I'm spraying water on the welds as I go to try and avoid setting the whole thing on fire. But as well as welding, I made these brackets, or plates, that I fixed around the frame where it comes down through the bottom of the van. And I put those on, and I also bolted through the frame of the van and through the metal frame. So everything's looking much better now. Now, since the last video, I've also done all the prep on the right hand side of the van. That's taking off all those aluminium strips and cleaning all the sealant off, removing the windows and all that kind of stuff. But winter's coming here, so I want to be able to get this thing completely waterproof, and quite quickly now, so that I don't have to have this tarpaulin over it. So, with the metal frame now installed, I'm feeling much more confident about being up on the roof, and I put the last section of roofing metal on the left hand side. So as I'm recording this or getting ready to upload it, the project is a little bit further on than you're seeing here. I'm just trying to catch up with editing. I've been doing some other stuff, some small things like the grill, the front grill, some dashboard stuff, some stuff with the windows. I will in the next episode reveal the big new plan. I've completely changed the idea with the windows, and I'll show you all the rest of the stuff I've been doing in the meantime. But I'll get this uploaded. Thank you very much for watching.